Bess is waiting to get some food, aren't you? Hey, right, puppy? Hey, you want food, don't you? You love food. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's a truck with that little horse thing on it. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, can't wait to get them burgers. Can't wait to get them burgers. Can't wait. Just look at this sit and pose. She was momentarily drooling, so I'm trying to catch her.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Oh, she smells food. Look at this. I'm filming this right now of Bess wanting the burgers. Oh, give me food. No, back up. Bess, back up. Jeez. What oh, root beer. Here we go. I'm gonna get myself a drink. Oh yeah. Oh, thanks. Yep, that was.
Have a good day.
Bess, burgers. Look, burgers right there, and poutine. Eh, poutine, eh? All right, there we go. It's a good dog. You're a good dog. You're a good little puppy. You're getting quite big too. Look at her paws. Look how big these things are. Look, like that's a big paw. Alrighty, I'm done. Done filming right now. That was Bess the puppy getting all excited with food. Yes.